welcome back to another video. Followers vlog. We got a Honda in 160i EK in for an engine swap. This block is badly corroded, so I don't think there's anything left on this engine. I'm gonna put in a fresh engine over here, D16W Mike's place. Yeah, gonna get him back on the road. Once the engine is out, we can clean up the bay nicely. I think the car's gonna go for some body touch-ups when it goes out here, when it's done here by me. So ja, ek het opdracht gekry, ek kon hom weer fresh maak en die lewe weer bring. Dit is exactly wat ek gaan doen. So ja, I'm also busy with the Toyota. Well, Sean is busy with it. I just took out the engine. Toyota wet look. Basically got a fresh block for the car, bay block. We're gonna use the customer's previous piston. This 40 thou still newish. Something happened to the block, I don't know. But we're gonna do the 40 thou pistons into the fresh block that we got. We're gonna bore that block. 40 thou, get new piston rings, big ends, mains. We got a standard crank. We're gonna stand it on the bearings. And all the seals. We got a fresh head already. It's done with the engineers. So I'm just waiting for the block and crank and those things to come back. Then we're gonna assemble this car as well. This is gonna be something nice. This is carburetor 4A F, I think 4A FE. A 2-foot Malay with the Toyotas, but yeah, I'm gonna get him back to life also again. So let's get it kicking here. Just like that. Thanks. How's the buzz? Take your right arm. The grease. Okay, so the engine is out. You come closer. Engine is out basically. Not out yet. everything around the engine is disconnected. The drive shafts, T-bracket, everything is loose. You can see how the engine is basically hanging on the two mounts. So I'm going to put the crane on hold. I'm going to connect the crane and I'm going to take the engine up. Then we're just waiting on Mike's place. I might just go fix it tomorrow, I'm not sure. I am alone at work. Sean is off sick for the week. So yeah, that's why I'm only taking on one car per day. Because we hardly take on small jobs, mostly bigger jobs. So yeah, I'm gonna remove it now. Here we go.
Why?
Morning buds, it's day 2 of the engine swap. So I'm just waiting on Dale to deliver the engine now this morning. I will in the meantime go get all the other parts that we need to get, like the service parts and cam belts and all those type of stuff. And yeah, I think by later, probably around 10, I got 2 cars booked in today. One for dust cam pads and one for camber arm, camber kit, the rear. Both EKs. I'm not taking on much work because I'm alone at work. Sean is off for the week.
Not alone.
Sorry, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna now shoot off this box and take off the loom. Get everything ready for when the other engine comes, then I can just put everything over. There is a new clutch in here. It was just fitted before the car when it goes stuck. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. This is day 2. And for you guys, for all the ones that didn't subscribe yet to the channel, remember to subscribe and like, and also comment, because I haven't seen any. I think I got like 8 videos already, and I was probably in the first and the second video that there was some comments. But yeah guys, comment op onder en sê wat julle ouens dink. As ek miskien 'n foutjie maak, kan julle net sê daar so wat aangaan. So ja, we gaan het vandag, is donderdag, môre is Vrydag. Ja, ek het nou, I'm also just with this car, with the Toyota. Everything is by the engineers. So hopefully today or tomorrow we'll get this back. But I want to get that car done today. And then I can Friday, then which is tomorrow, start assembling this engine, putting this engine together. So yes, I'm happy chap, just like that. How's it, guys? Okay, so I'm back at work. I went to go get the engine, not at Mike's place. Got it at Motors and More. It was a big hassle to get this engine here. I went to go fetch it myself. I just got back to work now. What's the time now? 12 o'clock.
Wow.
I left here at 9 this morning.
After 9, stop the 9.
So yeah, I'm back now. Now I have to go do this compare in this car, and then I can continue with my engine swap over here. Luckily, I went to go buy all the stuff, all the service parts, all the stuff from Honda. Like basically alles. So it's not just a matter of a mistake. Everything off here. Everything must come off, and then obviously the customers things we're gonna put on here, like the exhaust manifold, the intake, all the crank pulleys, the power steering pump, the dizzy. This thing's coming off. We're obviously gonna put the flywheel on, new rim and seal, flywheel, new clutch is there. So ja, wat ek gewoon die mannetjie uitsort, dan kan ek aangaan. How's it, buds? Yeah, so this is how far I am now, basically. Got this engine on Mike's place, or should I say the Motors and More engine stripped down. I was gonna fit the seals up, cam and crank seal, but then I saw that this engine, this is a D16W engine. So over here, I think it has like a, I think you put the VTEC solenoid there, And then this crankshaft, as normally takes a seal like this, which is now your 160i. Yeah? Should take that, but it actually takes a VTEC crank seal, which means this is not your average crank that's in here. It's probably like a VTEC. Well, the 180i, the VTEC, and the P20 takes the same seal, and this 1600 engine takes the seal, which means this is a better performance crank than your average 160i. Weet jy as dit sin maak, ek is nou nie 'n expert in almal die goeie sê, maar daar is definitely 'n verskil in die T16W engine. So yeah, this is now where I am at the moment. I'm gonna put on the crank seal, cam seal, put the water pump on, just clean up here nicely, then clap everything on, put my covers back, and then I'll put on all the add-ons, Alti, the exhaust mani, intake, everything complete. Then I just need to go clean the gearbox. It's outside there. Clean up the gearbox nicely, put the new Raymond seal in, put the flywheel back, clutch on, box on, put the engine assembled completely with the loom and everything. Then I should maybe, if I still get there today, I fit it today, but I ran late. I only technically started working in the workshop physically after 12 today. I got here with the engine. I left this morning at 9. So it is a bit tough for sure, not around. We'll be back in on Monday. Me having to go drive to get all the stuff and to take everything off, strip and assemble and put everything back. It's a big mission. So yeah, but I'm getting there, popping on. Didn't take any work for today, only had disc and pads, and then that's it. So let me get going again here with this car. Here we go. Guys, that seal I actually went to get from Matthew Abrams, just across the road from me. Otherwise I had to drive all the way back to Honda, and as you can see I'm very busy. So Matthew saved me there. Matthew Abrams, MID, Matthew Abrams Developments. Shout out to Matthew, I say thanks. Scored me a trip now. Got my belt on, water pump on, seals is in. Now I can carry on, put on my covers, assemble the side, and then yeah, assemble the rest of the engine, get the box on at least. So yeah, let us uncap. Morning guys, it's day 3. It's day 3. I managed to get the engine assembled yesterday, close to closing time, in between all the other malachite happening. So now I'm gonna fit it. I can finally fit the engine. Everything went smooth, 100%. All plugins is in, everything is perfect. I must now just fit it, and then what I can do now is I can insert. Put the mount him there, make him fast, mount him there, make him fast. The loom is on the engine, connected completely. I just put the loom through there, plug him by the ECU in. Dan gaan ek sit my draadjies op hier. Dan gaan ek hom start. Daar is olie in, daar is 'n oliefilter. Ek start hom in die ou filter en olie. Wanneer hy opstart, dan draai ek en dan sit ek fresh goed in. Fresh olies en daai. Maar ja, so that's what we basically do with the engine swap. Assemble full, put the engine in, just make him fast here, left and right. Sit gou die loom in, start die kar, as die kar start, die engine idle mooi, dan assemble jy die rest. Dit is net makliker as dit daar en dis alles is sorted, ek kan dit aankap. I still need to do, I see that cup is missing, that inner CV. I normally don't take the engine out like that. The exhaust is off and that thing is out. But because that thing was loose like that already, I just left it there. But I need to do 2 new inners, so that shaft must come out. And what's the other thing? I can't remember. But yeah, I'm gonna get this engine in quickly and get it started up today. It was almost done. I'm gonna cloud the start today. Took me a bit too long, but okay. I'm in alone, so I'm just figure what I can do. So peace. Alright, engine is in, fitted, solid, T-bracket is in, mounting is on there. So now I can put on all the other stuff, aircon, radiator, all the piping. The loom is on. I put the loom through inside to the ECU, and put everything around here, assemble the engine by complete, and then put the power steering, and then yeah, we're gonna start him up quickly.
Gonna start up today.
Just like that.